I'm Kania. Welcome back to my channel. Ooh, I forgot I had blue nails on today. So now we're going to do our Sephora haul. I went to Sephora to pick up some skincare yesterday. If you watched my previous video, yes, same hair, same makeup, still sweating outside. So let me move this real quick and get this haul bag closer to me. Whew. I had so much fun. This is all skincare. This is all skincare. I bought no makeup. I don't really wear it that much, and I think I'm really happy with what I have. I'll try a couple new things here and there, but mostly, you know, I don't have foundation on. I just have a Morphe blush, and actually I have an Ulta pencil on top of a Sephora, underneath the Sephora pencil as a base. And anyway, to the haul. Shout out to Pam, who still works there and is a skincare specialist there, so she helped me out. I am addicted to that place. It is why I work, so I can shop at Sephora and buy what I want. Not gonna lie. Okay, first thing that I had to restock is my Fresh face cream. This is my moisturizer, the Lotus Youth Preserve face cream. I bought the small version of that, the mini version, after using a sample, and it really did well on my skin. My skin reacted well to it. I bought the mini just to see if it was like, you know, me being in Nirvana with the sample and just, you know, because it was fresh, or if it really did work well for my skin. And so when I went through the mini, it really does work well for my skin. So I bought the larger version. It is, I'm so excited. I needed it last night, so I'm using a Caudelie, but I was like, okay, I need to do my haul. Okay. The next thing I bought was an eye cream, and this is the Caudelie Energizing and Smoothing Eye Cream. Smoothing hyaluronic acid and antioxidant complex, vitamin E and C, ester and peptides, polyphenols. This is a great base, natural-ish brand. I love Caudelie. Fresh and Caudelie are my go-to for skincare. Everything I have tried works really well for my skin. Some things work better than others, but nothing irritates my skin, nothing breaks me out, nothing gives me problems. It's just some things I like better. So this is an eye cream that I'm going to be trying. I have not had an eye cream in a while. So I like this one because it's got a squeezy dispenser, and that's a little more sanitary than a jar. But I do have some antibacterial Q-tips that I got from a store here, and so that's what I'll be using to dip into this, unless it comes with like a spatula or something. I didn't even check. Does it come with a spatula? Wouldn't that be amazing? It does not, but it's a really nice sized jar. I'm so excited about this. This stuff, I mean, I will just go barefaced with that, and I use you find it interesting, I use an e.l.f. nourishing oil to mix with this for my face for the day and for night. e.l.f. This face oil is $10. This was $46. It is what it is. It works for me. The next thing on my list is also a restock. I bought a small version of this one also to see if it was just a sample that worked really well, or if it really did work over time for my skin long term, and it did. So this is Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. And this is their special packaging for Pride, which is a celebration of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and the Q stands for something. But June is the month of Pride, and their kind of thing is love, and so no judgment. This is the packaging for Pride, and that's why I got it, because it was so pretty, and because I am love is love. I have no judgment. It's not your place to judge. It's not mine either. I love people, period. Oh, look, and I didn't even realize that. Pride to the People. That is so cool. So this is the large size, and it's the rainbow because that's the theme, and it comes with a pump. Hallelujah. Oh, and it comes with stickers, I think. Are these stickers? I did not even know that. I just picked it up because it was Pride colored. I'm going to a Pride parade with my friends this year. Again, this is my second year going, and it is such a blast. It's just a blast, and it's going to be blazing hot like this, so I'm excited. Love has no gender. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, and the very last thing I picked up was this kit from Fresh. Okay, so Pam and I were talking, and I was looking for an eye cream, and I was debating on this one and this black tea one that she suggested from Fresh. And I'm like, oh, okay, well, I could do both. But the Fresh one it was reasonably priced, but why buy just a little eye cream when I could get this whole kit? It has a small eye cream because I really feel like the Caudelie is probably going to be better for me. But it's not open. But I really wanted to try this, and I didn't want to buy 2 full-size products. So this one, now the kit was expensive. The kit was more than what I would have spent on just the eye cream, but in the kit I get the soy face cleanser, which is bomb. I get a full-sized, what is this? The black tea firming overnight mask, full size. This alone is $68. And the full-size firming corset cream for face and neck. I don't know how much that is, but it's more than 40 bucks, I'm sure. And then the soy face cleanser, which I think is like $20. And I think this is a full size as well. So you get full size of all these things. Plus, I get to try the sweat is dripping down my back. Plus, I get to try the black tea kombucha treatment, facial treatment essence, which I have been wanting to try, but I didn't want to buy the full size because I wasn't sure, like, you know, how it would react to my skin. And then I get this, my anti-aging eye cream, which I can't get out, and I'm not going to try right now because I'm trying it, but I really don't want to try it because I don't want to pop it out and it breaks on the floor because I'm outside. So I'm super excited. The kit was expensive, but I really think it's worth it because you get 3 full-size products, and those 3 full-size products are probably, if you add them up, double than what the kit costs. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Sweat is dripping down my back, but my makeup looks bomb. Oh my gosh. Whew. Okay, and then as a sample, the girl at the checkout gave me this rose face mask. Now, eventually, I am going to have to buy this rose face mask because I think this is like my 3rd or 4th sample. I love the way my skin feels when I use this. It's infused with real rose petals, hydrates, and tones. This is half an ounce. I don't know how much the jar is, maybe an ounce or so. Maybe a little more than an ounce, but this stuff feels amazing. It smells fantastic, and my face feels awesome when I use it. And you know, I love a good mask. I will mask, you know, while I'm watching TV. I'll mask anytime, at any moment, if I have the time. So yes, I'm super excited. That's my haul. That's everything I got. I am so excited. That was a pretty penny. This was an expensive haul for the 4 or 5 items I got. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 items that I purchased, and the sample. That was an expensive haul, but I am worth it. My skin is worth it. You have to treat your skin well, so it responds well, and it reacts well, and you age well. And I think I'm aging pretty well. I do have makeup on, but I mean, look at my skin. Like, my skin is, can you see that? Like, can you, I don't know how the lighting is working in this sunlight, but oh my, I am so sweaty. Sweat dripping down my back. Okay, so I'm gonna go dry off and get ready for work. Thank you guys for watching. This was my Sephora haul. I had an absolute blast. Fresh, Caudelie, they have awesome products. This is not a sponsored video. This is my own money that I worked really hard for, and I am very grateful for. So you guys have a blessed week, and let me know, do Caudelie and Fresh work for you guys? Does Youth to the People work for you? Because this cleanser is everything. This is what I use every morning when I wake up. I use the Glam Glow Mud Cleanser at night to get off makeup and impurities from the day, and then I use this every morning. And sometimes in the middle of the day, like if I'm off and then I go work out or something in the middle of the day, I'll wash my face again with this. It's not too harsh. It never breaks me out. It doesn't irritate my skin, which is huge because, you know, as you get older, you need to make sure you're not upsetting yourself. And so now that I've found things that I really like and that my skin responds well to, I'm going to invest in those products. And it doesn't matter to me. It does matter a little bit about the cost, but when you find something that works, that's good for your skin, and it's not packed with a bunch of crap, you use it. So anyway, Thank you so much for watching again. Have a great week. Peace.